Craving a Thanksgiving that's both tasty and healthy? We've got the perfect solution for you. Imagine a Thanksgiving spread brimming with vibrant, mouth-watering dishes, all plant-based and absolutely scrumptious. Welcome to, from creamy one-pot pasta, to vibrant nourish bowls, decadent no-bake cinnamon rolls, and even a show-stopping plant-based cheese ball. This cookbook has it all. And let's not forget the moist, delicious carrot cake to top it off. Sharing these delightful meals with family and friends adds a new layer of joy to your holiday. Picture the smiles and the wow moments as everyone digs in, offers over 100 recipes that are not only easy to follow but are perfect for holiday gatherings. Plus, they're vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free, so you can embrace wellness and flavor in every bite. So why wait? Get your copy of today and make your Thanksgiving unforgettable. Click the link below and start planning your perfect plant-based feast.